All right, in this video, I am going to show you a little bit about the startheregoplaces.com website. This is another free website that I found that has some pretty cool games and stuff for accounting, financial literacy, those types of classes, since that's what I primarily teach, career opportunities. So these are all different kinds of quizzes and games and stuff that they have on there that are fun, little ones to play. The one that I actually have spent the most time playing is actually this one called Bank It, Bank on It game. So this is pretty cool. So it's an online game, and you can actually you can see I played a game here, and I lost, but you can start a new game, and you can pick if you want accounting or financial literacy. So like I said, you can go either way with it. This one, you can set the amount of how much money the person has to earn to win. So you can pick kind of a random number if you'd like. You can either have them find an opponent, so you can actually have your students within your classes play against each other, or they can play against the computer. So they just randomly pick a person, and then you can customize your game piece to something that you would want, so you know that's your game piece. And then it's just fun because you get to just test out real life scenarios, job scenarios in this one. So it's kind of cool just how the game works, and what you do, the different kind of questions. This one, so this one we had to get our tire. We had to get a tow and a new tire, so it cost us some money. This is a real life scenario type thing. It kind of reminds me a little bit of Monopoly, in the sense of the way that it looks and all of that. But I think it's very interesting just because you have this game simulation that you can go through, that the kids can play. Some of the games have timers on them. So anyways, I just think that it's kind of a fun, and that one I ran out of time, but I just think it's a fun little game that you can do with your students. You can have them play. It could be an activity that they could do after they've learned certain types of lessons. It could be, the accounting one is a little bit harder, but I still think that your students would have a fun time with it. So I think this website, either the Bank On It game.com, or if you go to the let me see here, or if you go back to the startheregoplaces.com, you'll find a lot of resources to use in your classroom.